In this video, I will show you how you can add the location shortcut to the control center on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. So let's get started. Now to do this, first of all, just open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. And if you cannot find this app, you can download it from the App Store. After you open the app, then in the library section, just tap on the plus icon. Now just tap on the drop down arrow over here and select rename. Now just give a name to the shortcut. For an example, I will name it location. Then tap on this icon. Now from here, just select a background color for your shortcut and select an icon for your shortcut. After you select an icon and a background color for your shortcut, then just swipe down and in the search bar, just search this. Tap on open URLs. Then in this section, just type this. Now just make sure you type exactly what I have typed because this code is case sensitive, meaning that if you even change an uppercase letter with a lowercase letter or vice versa, this code will not work. So make sure you type it exactly as I have typed it. After you do that, then tap on done. Then tap on this play button to check if this code is working or not. As you can see, this shortcut has redirected us to the location services toggle. Now to add this shortcut to the control center, just open the control center, then just tap and hold on the empty space in the control center and select add a control. Now in the search bar, just search this. Select run shortcut, then tap on choose. And from here, just select the shortcut which we have created, which is the location shortcut. After you do that, then just tap on anywhere on the screen. And as you can see, we have created a location toggle. Now you can resize the toggle as you like. For an example, I will resize it to this. Then tap on anywhere on the screen to save the changes. Now, after you do that, then if you want to enable or disable the location services on your iPhone, just simply open the control center, then tap on the shortcut which we have created. As you can see, it has redirected us to this section. And from here, you will be able to turn off or turn on the location services of your iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can add the location shortcut to the control center on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.